Okay, in this example, we're going to have a look at a time series analysis histogram, okay, with a linear trend line. Okay, so bear with me while I share my screen. Okay, the exercise that we've got here, okay, the data that we've got here is for Walk Easy Footwear. Okay, so we have got figures for each of the 4 quarters for sales of footwear for Germany and UK, plus the grand total for the year 2004. Okay. So what we want to do first of all, obviously the months, the columns with the monthly detail has been hidden. So we just need to first of all unhide so that we've got all of the data just to have a look at it. Okay, so just unhide the data. Bear with me while I just do this. Okay, remember just select the columns and right click and unhide. Okay, so what we're going to have a look at is just for Germany at the moment, okay, but what we would need to do, we want to see how each country is performing by showing the total sales for each country, obviously in chart format with a linear trend line. So we're just going to do for Germany in this example, but then you would also do for the UK, exactly that work through the same process, and do a comparison between the 2 charts. Okay, so we want to select C10 for the country. Okay, we also want G10 for quarter 1, we want K10, we want O10, and we want S10. Okay, so holding our control key down after we've made the first selection. So we've got country and we've got each of the quarters. Okay, so we want Germany's details. So we're going to click C25, G25, K25, O25, and S25. Okay, so then we are going to insert our line chart, okay, the 4th one along with our markers. Okay, we want to also go into chart design, quick layout, and again choose the 10th option. Okay, so what do we want to do now? We want to add in we've got Germany total there. Okay, so Germany, we're going to change that to sales total. Can't spell. Germany sales for 2004. Okay, access titles. Okay, we want to pop in here that obviously that's the quarters for 2004, and obviously we want to put in here that is sales in pounds. Okay, or thousands, whatever. Okay, so we want to add the trend line, so just right click, add trend line, and it will default to linear anyway. Okay, so there we go. That's all we have to do with this particular one. We want to move the chart, obviously, out of the way, but that's just a linear trend line. Okay, you can again, if you want, you can change the titles in here in the legend. Okay, just again by clicking on the trend line. Okay, right click, and again you can format it. Okay, and you can just scroll down and you can change the text from automatic to custom to suit your requirements. So again, what you'd be wanting to do from an analysis point of view is look at what way the trend line is, it going up, down, dipping, okay, and how are the values over the 4 quarters of the year. Okay, so you can see that we've got a bit of a decline here, and the trend line is showing us that as well. Okay, so that's a linear trend line on a time series analysis histogram. Okay, thank you for watching.